Hello guys, welcome to another new video from the Top 5 Blender. In today's video, make your everyday work much easier. I think you may like these blender. The product link given in the description below. Please let us know in the comments how you like the video. So let's start today's video without wasting time. And before you start, be sure subscribe to my channel and click on the bell, so you get a notification when upload new videos. Let's enjoy the video till the end.
ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh.